We're so excited to be at ASGCT 2024. This is a really exciting year for the industry, and we have an incredible showing between our booth and our technical presentations and the talks that Forge is doing over the course of the entire week. We have an amazing booth this year. It's brand new. We hope you stop by and play our custom video game, take a look at our facility fly-through from our video, experience the manufacturing facility with our Oculus, or connect with one of our AAV experts that are here. This year, we have a very special reception. Please stop by the booth to learn more details. You don't want to miss it. It's always an honor to be at ASGCT, and we hope to see you here.